By the way, before we begin this video, it's really loud, so just a quick warning for that.
Holy crap! Bro, how are you not dead? How are you?
Bruh.
You're too slow. Not that way, not that way.
I spawned again. My name is Samurai. You can't catch me.
Hey, stay back! Stay back! How did I not die? How did I not die? Stop screaming!
What do you mean by that? Hold anonymous.
Don't go that way.
Go the other way.
That's what I thought.
Bro, I can literally slap him in the head for no reason.
That's a good shot.
Watch. Man, watch. Watch. Ow. Ow. How's it going in Mario Wonderland? Oh!
I just saw someone getting chased by like 10 of them. Yo, who wants a drink? Who wants a drink? I wonder what this is.
I don't want my family to be hurt.
I'm a virgin.
Bro, I'm so rich. Get my money. Get my money. Get my money. Get my money. Bro, she has give me.
Hello there.
Someone gets my money. Someone gets my money. No, that's my money.
Hey guys, who wants to go in the vent with them?
Hey, you, sir.
Stay the frick back! Run! And I died again!
It's a disaster. Don't go on the third floor. It's a disaster up there.
Everyone go down to the first floor.
Everyone go to the parking lot. Everyone go parking lot, aka first floor.
Wait, wait. Let me show you a room. Everyone, follow me. Wait, Top Hat. Get away, freaking smart. Let me show you a place. Come here. No, Top Hat.
What? Stop asking me these questions.
I know a room where no one knows. Come here. Top Hat, come over to the parking lot.
Wait,
Come here.
I'm getting chased by this
On the same level. Go to the parking lot on the same level.
He almost killed me. He almost killed me.
Top Hat, come to the parking lot that's right across from the supermarket. Okay, guys, up here, guys.
I'm in the parking lot. I'm gonna say go in the parking lot. I'm gonna say.
If you keep walking up these stairs, there's a secret room.
Bro, everyone knows that secret room. If you don't, you probably. Because you don't know what the secret room is.
I've known what it is. Guys, I think they're here.
No, you thought you could catch me? I'm too fast.
Yep, they're near. Yep. Help me, bro. Why you keep following me?
First one to guess my username. First one to guess my username. I will do whatever. First one to guess how much money I got.
Blizzard VR. Your name is Blizzard VR.
Nope.
Bro, there's no space, buddy.
I call the Blizzard because the creatures that
Anyways, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's been forever since I posted. I hope that you guys don't hate me for not posting a little bit. Better than other people for not posting in like 3 months. But yeah, stay tuned for more content. All of the videos that I've been posting just show up with the screen while I try sync it. So yeah, I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoyed this video, if it was even enjoyable because of the screaming. Anyways, subscribe. We are actually so close to 50, and I can start doing live streams when I hit 50 subs. So subscribe. Bye.